And now, a public service announcement brought to you by TDT, the Drunken Tenor.
I think people more or less are freaking out, buying toilet paper by the ton. Everyone stay calm, don't go all insane. Just take precautions and maintain. Don't touch your face if you're a hand sneezer. Elbow's the place to let it all go. I say with love, wash your hands wiser, use sanitizer so we don't die. Don't touch your face and wash your hands. Oh, don't be a hand sneezer. I know it's been a while since I've given you a new video, and I'm hoping to do more of that because I know some of you are probably stuck at home. Be sure to like the video, smash that button, share it with your friends. What was that, Rico? Oh yeah, go to thedrunkentenor.com. Not just any Drunken Tenor, the Drunken Tenor. And we're on all the social medias, and I hope to be giving you more things out there, okay? What's that? Oh yeah. Cheers.